Hi guys, good afternoon. SJ here with VP Racing. We're here right now with Sir Jerry Chua.
Yes,
Sir, thank you so much for having us here. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Revstoration. So we're checking out all the cars here. Ang nag-invite sa atin is Sir Jerry. And he's been doing drag racing since 2009, sir, no?
Yeah, tagal na rin. Pero siyempre, simula tayo noon, medyo basic lang. Siyempre, makasali lang. Nakakatuwa. Pero wala pa dun sa super serious mode. So, sometimes, siguro, mga bandang 2021, 2020, 2019, siguro, ganun.
Right.
Started getting serious. You build serious race car, serious engine building, and then supported Revstoration. So, iba. Then, yun nga, we tried using from simple pump gas ng Blaze, and then we tried the best. So far ngayon, ang gamit ko talaga, VP Racing. Doon ako na at home eh. So,
since when you start to, using the VP Racing?
Siguro nasa 2021 ako nag-start yan. VP Racing na M5. Started with M5. And then,
what's the difference between the experience?
Malayo. Kumbaga, kung power lang ang usapan, iba talaga. Lalo na well, dyno doesn't lie. Numbers don't lie.
Yeah.
So, malaki ang diferensya compared sa normal fuel.
Right, right.
So, maybe like 10, 15, 20%, maybe.
Oh my God! Wow!
And then from let's say, from dating gumagamit ako ng M5 going to Nitro 5050, maybe somewhere 30-35%.
What? What the fuck?
Talaga.
Huge difference.
So, power, well, malaki. From basic as maybe normally 40, 50 horses.
Yeah.
Pwede hanggang 100 horses ang difference.
Damn!
Oo.
Grabe guys, so si Sir Jerry, he broke the record last April, no?
April 2026.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Hitting 9.955 seconds in a quarter mile.
In a quarter mile.
So, imagine yung G's no? Sobrang bilis. So, yun pala yung car niya. Okay? Isang OG.
Oh my God!
Diba? So, integrated yan sila.
Oh.
Hindi sila nag-iwalay yan. So, yan, yun yung maganda doon. So, yun, he's been, he's our first client actually.
Yeah.
Na interview about more of the VP Racing. No? So, we've learned a lot this afternoon sa kanya. So, it's mind-blowing. Medyo nosebleed lang. Ngayon, sumakit yung ulo ko sa atin. Daming dinidiscuss. So, I have to comprehend everything, no? So, yun, Sir Jerry, thank you so much for inviting us and touring us around and the lesson, no?
Thank you.
So, yun guys, on our next video, so we have more like this one for education as well, no? So, bye!